Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a little bit of scrapbooking with you because I used to love doing scrapbooking. I was crazy about it. I spent a lot of money on all the stickers and stuff like that, and I haven't done it in like possibly years. I haven't done it in years. So now I thought that I've got some photos of my daughter dancing. Sorry, I don't know why this light keeps going light and dark the whole time. I've got some photos of my daughter dancing, some of when she did hip hop and some when she did freestyle. So I thought I'm going to do 2 pages with just photos of her. It's going to be as simple as possible because, like I said, I haven't done it in a long time, so I'm out of practice. And I thought I'd just bring you with me so that you can see what I do, and I hope that you enjoy it. Alright, so the pages that I've got got only these pages, unfortunately, because I haven't stocked up on stuff at all. So I'm just going to basically almost cover them with other stuff, and I'm going to try and see how it goes. And then I'm going to use a CD and some of this paper, and to cover the CD I've got some other papers that I'll go look through, and I've got these 2 books which are scrapbooking books. I don't know if they still do them actually. These ones, which have bonus things at the back which you can use, and I would like to use some of the things. So I'm just going to put them here. And then I have some glue and photos, and then the other paper that I was looking to see which one I want to use on the CD. I was thinking maybe something like this with flowers on it. So I think that looks nicely. And then I've got stickers, but I'm not sure if I'll use them because it's dancing, so I thought maybe we can put like the little disco ball, and I don't know, I'll see if it works. And then I've got this little thing that says dance yourself silly and all girl, and girls just want to have fun. And then this one that you have to scratch on that says groovy, which is cool. Okay. I'm also going to use some like double-sided scrapbooking tape. Okay, so first of all, pencil, I'm going to mark this CD onto here. Okay. Then I need to cut it out. Do the little hole in the middle. So I use this little scissors, quite sharp. Okay, so that's now cut out. Just want to see if it fits on here. And now to glue it. Just went to go and get a blanket because it's a little bit cold, but not, it's a bit warmer today, so it's not actually cold enough for me to wear a jersey. So that I'm going to put there. Then I'm going to take this paper and I'm going to first mark how big it is, where I need it to be. Let me choose the photos. So I need to measure these on here. this one has to go underneath, so it has to be torn, and also you want to see some of it on the outside. So I'm just going to tear it, and just so I know not to tear over that line, to try and keep it away. So you'll see, like with us tearing, it gives that effect, like a torn edge effect. So you can see over here where the line is. See the line, and you can see how far I tore from there. So I just want to see if I put it in here and like that. Turn it around. Okay. The one thing I'm going to do, I'm first going to just stick this down. I think I'm going to glue this one down. And then in this book was this one. There was a metal, it looks like foil. Okay, it looks like foil, and I'm thinking I want to use the silver one. So it covers those little tabby things on the edge, you know, so it doesn't have that. So I'm going to use the double-sided scrapbooking tape. I don't think I'm going to put the purple onto this one or underneath that one. What I'm going to need though is words. On here, I want to put Dance With Me. I think I'm going to make these a bit smaller, you know, just cut them a bit smaller. So it's Dance. Dance Life, I think I'm going to say. and I'm going to stick this one down. Just want to make sure that this is how I want this one, just to be like that, or if I'm going to take stick this down. Right, then we've got our little wording over here. As you can see, it's quite a wide base, so I think I'm just going to cut it off. Now it says Dance Life. I'm just going to try and get it on here nicely. It fits into the CD. Thinking of maybe putting this groovy over there. I'm going to do that. And the disco ball. Stars here, so we're going to do that and that, and then a smaller star. I think that's it for this one. So that's what it looks like when it's done. Sorry, it looks like the light from the window is very bright, but that's page done. Okay, get this out again. We need to choose our photos. So I'm going to be using these two photos. This is the freestyle. Now I want to put this, they stand up like this. So this one I'm going to put there, and that one I'm going to put there. something here in this one that I wanted to use. I don't know if it was this one or this one. Just check. It might be this one that I liked. Was this heart? Just need to take off like the little edges like I did with the other one. These little bits, keep them to the and then let's do the photos. This here, dance yourself silly. And girls just want to have fun. Let me put over here. And this one, which says all girl, I'm going to put down here. And I'm going to use a little disco ball again and a little radio. And I think I'm going to put a guitar on as well. Okay, so that is a very simple one. And that's the second page done. So I'm going to try and show you both pages that are done without that shining of the window so bright. So this is the one, first one that I did, and this is the last one that I did. And that's it. There's quite simple ones because, like I said, I haven't done them in a while, and also I didn't want to take too long because sometimes if you do proper scrapbooking, it can take you hours if you're really thinking about how you want to do it and how you want to place things and stuff. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, can you please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, if you can please click the subscription block or word or whatever it is, and then when you've done that, then you can click on the bell notification and it will inform you when I upload a video again. All my social media will be in the description block below, and you can just go and check that out, as well my blog is also over there, which also has other things on it. So I hope that you have a lovely day further and enjoy your moments. Goodbye.